Cancer checks, often referred to as cancer screenings, are vital tools in the arsenal against cancer. These preventive measures are designed to detect cancer before it manifests into more severe stages, thereby improving the chances of effective treatment and survival. They involve medical tests or procedures performed on individuals who, despite not showing symptoms, are at higher risk of developing cancer due to various factors such as age, family history, or lifestyle choices. The central aim of these screenings is to identify cancer at its earliest, most treatable stage, thus enhancing the likelihood of successful outcomes and survival rates. The critical importance of cancer checks. Cancer remains a formidable global health challenge, ranking as one of the leading causes of death worldwide. According to the American Cancer Society's 2024 projections, approximately 2 million new cancer cases will be diagnosed in the United States alone, and over 600,000 people will succumb to this disease. However, there is a silver lining. The cancer mortality rate has been on a decline, attributed to advancements in early detection and treatment, as well as reduced smoking rates. Since 1991, more than 4 million deaths have been prevented due to these advancements. The significance of early detection through cancer checks cannot be overstated. When cancer is detected in its initial stages, it is often more manageable and treatable, leading to higher survival rates. Regular screenings enable the detection of cancer before symptoms arise, which allows for timely and potentially life-saving interventions. By emphasizing and adhering to recommended cancer checks, we can aspire to a future with fewer cancer-related deaths and improved quality of life for individuals around the globe. Common types of cancer checks. Various cancer checks are recommended based on the type of cancer and individual risk factors. Here's a closer look at some of the most widely used screenings. 1. Skin cancer, skin examination. Regular skin examinations, whether self-performed or conducted by a healthcare provider, are crucial for the early detection of skin cancer, including melanoma. Individuals are encouraged to monitor their skin for any new or changing moles, spots, or lesions. Any suspicious changes should prompt a consultation with a healthcare professional to determine the need for further investigation or biopsy. Breast cancer. A mammogram is a specialized breast X-ray that is recommended for women, generally starting at age 40 or 50, depending on individual risk factors such as family history and genetic predispositions. Regular mammograms can detect tumors that are too small to be felt, significantly reducing the risk of dying from breast cancer. Early detection through mammography has been linked to improved survival rates and more effective treatment options. Colorectal cancer. A colonoscopy involves using a flexible tube with a camera to examine the colon and rectum for abnormalities. This procedure is recommended for both men and women starting at age 45. Colonoscopies are invaluable not only for detecting colorectal cancer, but also for identifying and removing polyps before they develop into cancerous lesions. The fecal occult blood test, or FOBT, is a non-invasive test that checks for hidden blood in the stool, which can be an early indicator of colorectal cancer. Often used as an initial screening method, a positive result typically leads to a follow-up colonoscopy for further evaluation. Prostate cancer. The prostate-specific antigen, or PSA, test measures the levels of prostate-specific antigen in the blood, which can be elevated in men with prostate cancer. Although widely used, the PSA test has its limitations and is generally recommended based on individual risk factors such as age, family history, and overall health. The decision to undergo PSA testing should be made in consultation with a healthcare provider, considering the potential benefits and limitations. Cervical cancer. Pap test, also known as Pap smear. This test involves collecting cells from the cervix to check for precancerous or cancerous changes. It is recommended for women starting at age 21 and is an essential tool in preventing cervical cancer by detecting abnormalities early. HPV test. The HPV test detects high-risk strains of human papillomavirus that are linked to cervical cancer. Often performed alongside a Pap test, it helps in identifying women at higher risk for developing cervical cancer and ensures timely monitoring and treatment. Lung cancer, low-dose computed tomography, or LDCT. This imaging test is recommended for individuals at high risk for lung cancer, such as those with a long history of heavy smoking. LDCT is effective in detecting lung cancer early, particularly in high-risk populations, and can significantly improve the chances of successful treatment through early intervention. Barriers to cancer checks. Despite the undeniable benefits of cancer screenings, several barriers can impede individuals from undergoing these critical checks. Understanding and addressing these barriers is essential to improve screening rates and outcomes. Lack of awareness. Many individuals are not aware of the recommended cancer screenings appropriate for their age group or personal risk factors. Public health campaigns, educational initiatives, and increased awareness efforts are crucial to ensuring that people are informed about the importance of regular screenings and the specific tests they need. Access to healthcare. Limited access to healthcare services, particularly in rural or underserved areas, can prevent individuals from receiving timely cancer screenings. Addressing healthcare disparities and improving access to preventive care are vital steps in ensuring that all individuals, regardless of geographic location or socioeconomic status, have the opportunity to undergo necessary cancer checks. Fear and anxiety. Fear of the procedure, potential results, or a cancer diagnosis can deter individuals from participating in screenings. Providing education, support, and counseling can help alleviate these fears, making it easier for people to take the step towards preventive care and regular screenings. Cost. The cost of cancer screenings can be a significant barrier, especially for those without insurance or those with high-deductible health plans. Efforts to make screenings more affordable, including expanding insurance coverage and offering financial assistance, are essential to increasing participation rates and ensuring that cost does not become a barrier to preventive care. Conclusion. Cancer checks are a cornerstone of preventive health care, offering a critical opportunity to detect cancer early when it is most treatable. The variety of screenings available for different types of cancer underscores the importance of personalized preventive care. By participating in recommended cancer checks, individuals can significantly enhance their chances of early detection, successful treatment, and ultimately, survival. Addressing the barriers to cancer screenings, such as lack of awareness, access issues, fear and anxiety, and cost, requires a multifaceted approach. Public health initiatives, improved access to healthcare, educational campaigns, and financial assistance programs are all necessary to overcome these challenges and promote higher rates of cancer screening. As we continue to advance in our understanding and treatment of cancer, prioritizing and promoting regular cancer checks will remain a key strategy in reducing cancer mortality and improving the overall quality of life. By working together to address barriers and enhance screening efforts, we can move closer to a future where cancer is detected early, treated effectively, and managed successfully. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more to come. Check in the video description below for all of your healthcare needs.